But I needed to see things firsthand, and Shadja arranged for me to live with the guerrillas in West Atjeh for several months. We had become friends, and she worried about the danger facing me. I would be the first and only foreign journalist to see Atjeh's war up close. As soon as we landed, the guerrillas took me right up to an ambush just above the road. This was a little bit closer than I planned.
There is the road that they are going to attack, all along this road. Bam di mana? Di bawah tanah itu. Under the earth, right there. That is to set off the bomb. Down, down, down.
A false alarm.
Coming down very hard.
Hours later, the Indonesians still hadn't come, and a couple of guerrillas took me back toward their camp.
We are now walking on the road that the ambush was supposed to come on. We are a little bit crazy, I think, to be walking on this road where there's a bloody war going on. This houses all of them empty.
Lari takut TNI. Waktu kontak itu nggak ada orang dibakar rumah.
During the next days, the guerrillas took me through many abandoned villages. But at this point, I still wasn't sure how much support GAM really had among Atjeh's 4 million people. In a village far from the main road, I met an older man named Abu Klit. He insisted I come out to his house to drink sugarcane juice. On the way, he kept quoting something from Abraham Lincoln.
Itu jelas gun. Jelas gun. Dia juga yang mengeluarkan. Jelas gun. Yes. See, ready? Kami karena dijajah dulu oleh Belanda, sekarang tidak mau lagi dijajah. Sedang itu berdolat kami dulu. Iskandar Muda kan berdolat dulu. Berdolat dulu. Tahu ke Inggris, ada hubungannya dengan Inggris. Ada hubungan dengan Amerika dulu. Kami membaca sejarah historis itulah.
Abu Klit explained that several years after World War II, the Dutch finally conceded independence to the East Indies. The Dutch colony, including Atjeh, became the Federal Republic of Indonesia. Klit told me Atjeh's leaders believed Atjeh would be left alone to rule itself inside the sprawling new nation. But Indonesia's government in Java centralized power and stripped Atjeh of its provincial status.
Ini orang Jawa ini dibilang demokrasi, tapi autokrasi dia.
Atjeh and several regions went into rebellion. The Cold War added fuel. The left-wing rhetoric of Sukarno, Indonesia's president, terrified America, which ferried guns to the Achenese and other rebels.
Saya dilatih oleh tentara Scott namanya, orang Amerika juga, Scott. Di Rampuh Hanup, di Banda Aceh.
While the Achenese regained their provincial status and some autonomy by 1960, growing authoritarian rule Indonesia-wide, and then General Suharto's dictatorship undercut Aceh's new freedom. In 1976, after years of political repression, economic plunder, and broken Indonesian promises, veterans of Aceh's earlier rebellion founded a new organization, GAM, the Free Aceh Movement. GAM's goal was Aceh's total independence from Indonesia.
Dan Bapak di dalam agam sekarang?
Saya GAM. GAM. GAM saya.
In Abu Klit's village, I met Pang Tony, the top GAM commander in the district. Tony took me toward another village outside which his men had ambushed the military 2 days earlier.
Jadi waktu kejadian tembak kontak dengan orang itu lari, dia lari datang ke kampung-kampung, jumpa ke masjid itu, ramai orang di situ, masjid, pokoknya ramai staff jaga.
The village chief was a rare pro-government man, and he told the villagers not to flee when angry soldiers approached after the ambush. "I will protect you in my house," he said. But the soldiers took the chief and 24 men to this ditch. I watched the villagers act out what next took place. The soldiers dragged the battered chief to this spot and put 8 bullets in his body. Wherever I traveled, I heard tales of Indonesian violence and saw why people overwhelmingly supported GAM.
Di badan, di kaki, di belakang.
Kamu kalau nggak mau bilang, tembak. Nggak bilang saya, benar kamu orang GAM? Tembak kamu.
Sometimes GAM was too helpful, and I wasn't sure I was getting the unvarnished truth.
Kenapa? Pegang itu. Karena kontak.
Karena kontak.
Oh, jangan bilang. Ya.
Oke.
KHE aja juga ini nggak mau KHE ya.